Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Dell Inspiron 3501. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and avoiding static damage. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Make sure to remove any connected peripherals. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. After successfully removing the panel, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the charging port. It is typically situated near the battery and connected to the motherboard with a small ribbon cable. Before disconnecting it, take a moment to carefully clean the area around the port with a soft brush or cloth to avoid any dust getting into the components. To disconnect the charging port, gently pull on the ribbon cable while ensuring not to damage any surrounding parts. If you encounter resistance, double-check to see if there are any additional screws holding it in place. Once it is free, take your new charging port and connect it in the same manner. At this point, if you feel unsure or lack the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any trips or calls. Once the new port is securely connected, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws to avoid any damage. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new charging port with your charger. If everything works correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your Dell Inspiron 3501. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost up front. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.